Want a restaurant-style Italian dinner in just 20 minutes? Let's make delicious chicken piccata right at home. 2 chicken breasts, sliced and pounded thin. Salt to taste. Black pepper to taste. Half a cup all-purpose flour. 2 tablespoons olive oil. 2 tablespoons butter. 2 garlic cloves, minced. Half a cup chicken broth. Juice of 1 lemon. 2 tablespoons capers. 1 tablespoon fresh parsley, chopped. Lemon slices, for garnish. Heat olive oil and butter in a pan. Cook chicken 3 minutes per side until golden, then set aside. In the same pan, sauté garlic, then pour in chicken broth, lemon juice, and capers. Let it simmer, then whisk in butter for a silky sauce. Return chicken to the pan, coat with sauce, and cook 2 more minutes. Garnish with parsley and lemon slices, and serve with pasta or rice. And that's it, elegant, zesty chicken piccata ready in minutes.